Hi everyone, we're on day 80. This is the vintage photo tag that I chose to do for day 80, and it's a really fun one. So don't miss this one. It is part of my 100 days of junk journal tags, and as I said, we're on day 80. There is a playlist for you, and I invite you to go and save that list so that you can always come back to it. And check out Black Whisper Crafts at Black Whisper Crafts Bexx and see what she created today. You can get this digital printable booklet available on my Ko-Fi site. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and let's get into it. Day 80 is the vintage photo tag, and I'm really excited about this one because I enjoy the vintage already. And I have a set of Tim Holtz strips. These are vintage photo strips. That's what I'm going to be using. It's called Photo Booth, I guess. And I picked these up a long time ago, as you can see from Tuesday morning. You get about 30 in that package. I am going to make available a hidden giveaway for 5 of the strips that will be drawn with my April 30th drawing this month, Subscriber Appreciation Month. So these are the photos. They'll be fun to give to someone, and you have to enter the word tag in the comments below, and this will follow the same rules as all my other giveaways. So all right, let's get into it. I'm using a piece of craft cardstock. This is a brown like this. I sprayed it with some vintage Distress Oxide. I think I chose Walnut Stain just to give it something in the background already. We're going to add some dictionary page to it. We're just going to tear it, and we're going to add, let's see, where do we want to add it? We'll just add it there. I'm going to add some ink to it, and we're just going to give this a little bit of a torn edge look for this tag, and then we're going to add some photos to it so you get some ideas of what you could do. Maybe you could do this for your your family. Maybe it could be their Christmas tag or something. Okay, so we're just going to take another little bit and put it at the bottom. I like tearing it like that and then putting it at the angles on the corners. So we're just going to do that right here. Then we can punch this hole again through. We know exactly where we want it to be. Next, I just wanted to add a little stamping in the background. These are the coffee rings or splatter. And we're just going to add that in the background, kind of going off the page a little bit. Let's see if we got enough ink on there to do like another stamp. That looks good. And I just used my vintage photo ink. And there we go. I'll just put that away for the moment. Now, to do the rest of it, I wanted to add a little bit of texture. So we're just going to put some cheesecloth in the background, just a little glue there, and I picked a larger piece because we're going to put 2 photos on this. We have this one that we're going to put down, isn't that cute? And then we have this one, so we're going to put 2 catty corner from each other. I'm going to go ahead and ink this a little bit, not totally, just a little of the vintage photo ink. It's a brownish color, as you probably know. Okay, so first we want to see where that picture is going to go. We'll just put this one here. Maybe we'll put it kind of off like that. So we want it to go something like that, right? Just like that. Watching that hole there for my ribbon. Isn't that cute? Oh. And then we're going to do the same thing. Now this one just barely fits if it isn't off a little bit. That's why I want to have that background there for it. There we go. Don't they look cute? So cute. All right, and then I have some flowers and a stamp to go around each one. So we'll just put the little yellow flowers here at the bottom. And we'll just put them like that. And I've got a little stamp here. This is from my ephemera pack that I picked up with the butterflies, you probably saw. And then we'll just put this one up here. That. And we've got another stamp. And should we put it upside down? No. Let's just put it right there. Oh, I just really like that. All right, then I just put some of this trim here at the bottom. Collect beautiful moments is my word. I put a charm and my ribbon through here, and I just love this tag. I hope that you do. If you do, give it a thumbs up. You know, I appreciate the like, and if you want to share it, that'd be great. I appreciate that as well. Don't forget the hidden giveaway. Put the word tag in the comments below, and you'll be entered for these 5 photo booth strips. And I invite you to subscribe if you enjoy this type of tutorials, videos, content, crafting. Please subscribe. So anyway, don't forget Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts, and go check out her vintage photo tag. I'm sure it's going to be phenomenal. Thanks so much for watching.